Let's talk about types of tourism. Let's go!
First is mass tourism. It's a large-scale movement of people to popular holiday destination characterized by organized standards and often cheap package travel. It has a group activities. The activities of mass tourism is skiing in the mountains, sunbathing on a beach, visiting theme park, or taking a cruise. And the purpose of mass tourism is the economic impact, employment generation, infrastructure development, affordability, and also cultural exchange. Second is adventure tourism. Is a type of travel that combines physical activity, cultural exchange, and engagement with nature, often in a remote or exotic location. It is outdoor activity that generally takes place. It has a three different adventure: land land-based, water-based, air-based. Land-based activity that happen in the land. Water-based activities in the place like lake, falls. Air-based, any activities that involve air. And the activities of adventure tourism is hiking, climbing, rafting, scuba diving, and caving. The purpose of the adventure tourism is to stimulate adrenaline and explore wild and remote places. Third is ecotourism. Is a responsible travel to natural areas that conserves the environment, sustains the well-being or local people, and involve interpretations and education. The activities of ecotourism is nature's hikes, wildlife observation, birding, snorkeling, and visiting cultural sites. The purpose of ecotourism is to create travel experiences that are mutually beneficial for tourists and the destinations. Fourth is sustainable tourism. Is a travel that minimizes negative impacts and maximize positive contributions to a destination environment, local culture, and economy. The sustainable activities harmonize tourism development with environment protection and community welfare, ensuring long-term ecological, cultural, and economic viability. The purpose is increase the benefits and to reduce the negative impacts caused by tourism. And the fifth is recreational tourism. It's a leisure-based travel often mass market designed for relaxation, entertainment, and stress relief, such as beach holidays, sports, or visiting attractions. The recreational activities is theme parks, national and states park, golf resorts, ski resorts, and water sports. The purpose of for fostering community bonds, promoting social interaction, and enhancing overall well-being. Six is health or medical tourism. Is the practice of traveling across international borders to receive medical treatment and ranging from surgeries to dental care, fertility treatments, and cosmetic producers. The travel of patients seeking healthcare services outside the main local healthcare coverage area. The activities of health and medical tourism is spa, relaxation, yoga, workshops, meditation sessions. The purpose is educate and prepare individual for this risk, helping them make informed decisions about their health before, during, and after their journey. 7 is convention tourism. It involves people traveling to attend large meetings, organize gatherings. It drives economic growth by bringing visitors to destination for conference, meetings, or trade shows to exchange knowledge, networks, and discuss shared industry interests. The activities of convention tourism is conference, trade show, educational workshop, social events. The purpose is to hold a convention where individuals and groups gather to promote and share common interests. 8 is village and urban tourism. Village tourism offers an immersive, slow place experience focusing on nature, agriculture, and local culture to boost rural economies, and urban tourism centers on fast paced, high destiny activities like visiting museums, theater, and cultural sites. Both aim to promote sustainable development, support local livelihoods, and preserve heritage. The activity of village tourism experiencing local lifestyle, agriculture, agrotourism, visiting cultural sites, nature-based activities, and handcrafts. The purpose of village tourism is to promote rural development, stimulate local economies, reduce migration, and preserve cultural and natural heritage. The activities of urban is visiting museum and attending events, exploring dynamic arts center, experiencing culture. And the purpose of urban tourism is to boost economic growth and cities, leverage cultural heritage, and promote sustainable and inclusive urban growth. 9 is ethnic tourism. It's a unique, specialized form of cultural tourism focused on experiencing the customs, traditions, and lifestyle of indigenous or distinct ethnic groups. The activities of ethnic tourism is cultural immersion, performance and interactions, experiential learning, local economy, and the purpose is to foster economic development for indigenous economies, preserve and realize vanishing traditions, and offer tourists authentic, first-hand experiences of distinct, often remote cultures. 10 is cultural tourism is a form of travel focused on experiencing and learning about a destination unique history, arts, architecture, traditions, and lifestyle. The activity of cultural tourism is study tour, performing arts and cultural tours, travel to festival and other cultural events, visit to sites, monuments, travel to study nature, folklore, or art. The purpose of the is to stimulate economic growth, defining a nation, identify traditions, and for communicating with other people or countries. 11 is historical tourism is involved traveling to experience places, artifacts, and activities that authentically represent the stories and people of the past. The activities of the historical tourism is to visiting historic sites, educational tours, cultural explorations, article, article, architectural appreciations. The purpose is education and awareness, economic development, and we have a connection to the past. And the last is domestic and international tourism. Domestic tourism is involves traveling within one's own country for leisure or business, requiring no passport or foreign currency. International tourism involve crossing borders, often requiring visa, foreign currency exchange, and navigating different languages. The activities of domestic tourism is educational tourism, leisure and recreational, attending conference, trav- travel for medical treatments. The purpose is give the opportunity to the people in the country to understand what the country is made up of, and also the opportunity to learn more about the country is.